What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Mills and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today we have the Air Jordan 4 Retro off Noir Unions. It's the box, top, get your size sticker right there. So I'm really excited about these. This is a pair I wanted. I don't care what anybody says about the tongue and all that, but we'll get into that now. I'm going to show you guys the paper. I think the paper is really cool. See Jordan's head right there when he had hair. So here you have it. Jordan 4 Unions. Got your Nike Air on the back. This is the off Noir pair. It does come with a set of extra laces here. As you can see, I'm not too sure if I'm gonna put those in there. I think it's kind of goes with that little Union LA tag that it has right there. And then you got your clear wings on them without the cutout. As you know, most all the fours come with this middle part right here cut out. They didn't do that for these. You got your air bubble in red to match that red that's on here. Got your overlays all around. But it's a really dope pair of kicks, man. They really did a good job with these. I'm really excited that I was able to scoop a pair because I didn't think I was gonna be able to get a pair, and I was. It's a nice material, nice suede, nice mesh, like soft plush mesh it has right here, and on the ankle liner too. Nothing behind the tab. But you got your Nike Air. You know how that look. Always dope. On your bottom, you got your Nike swoosh with your Nike branding there. And what everybody was hating about these, and then all of a sudden everybody started liking them, was the tongue. Because the tongue is stitched on there, as you can see, stitched and folded down. But they make it that you can take the tongue and take the stitching off and then fold it back up the way it should be. Got your inside there. I don't think you're gonna be able to see that. There you go. You got your Union with your Jumpman in there. You got your hand tag. Says Union on there. It's like a plastic, hard plastic hand tag. It's really dope. You got your white eyelets on here. On the bottom you got the white ones. You got your white netting, which is good that it's white and not clear because it won't yellow. I like how they did this. I like how they did the midsole, like off-white, I guess. Nothing special with the laces, just regular black laces. And then of course, like I said, you got the orange looking laces right there, as you can see. So I mean, Chris from Union really did a good job. Him, the team, everybody. He said that when he worked on these, he went to Portland and to Nike headquarters in Portland, and that he wanted to just chop the tongue off. Because he, like back in the day when these first came out, what people used to do is they used to take the tongue and flap it over so you could get the Air Jordan on there. But what they would do, they would flap it over and then tie the laces real tight so that it could stay. So they would literally tie right over the tongue, tie the laces all the way to the top over the tongue to keep the tongue down like that. But I'll probably take the stitching off and bring the tongue back up to norm because I kind of like it like that. I never was one to flap the tongue down. I get it though. Back then people didn't really like the Jumpman. They wanted to see that Air Jordan on the tongue, so to speak. So as far as the materials on these, and you could tell that they upped up the material game, hence the prices. It is $250 retail for these, so that really just shows. Also the netting is also underneath the laces. You got the same white netting. I think it's a dope shoe. It has a lot of different materials and different layers on top of layers, and that's what makes it unique. Chris said that he wanted to make everything, you know, unique, nothing the same. He didn't want to make from the Union ones. He didn't want to make something that looked just like it, not no cut off mixing fours. So I like that he went a different route with that. I remember a lot of people were like, oh, they probably do a chopped in half fours, and so I was like, no, that's not probably gonna look too good. And plus Jordan Brand's already doing that, you could say, with the top threes and all that stuff where they're like mixing Jordans together. So it was a good idea to not go that route. Just get some interesting colors. I also would love to get the guava pair, but guava pair is basically going for double of this because the guava pair was the Union exclusive, only on the Union website, and I could not get through that website for the life of me. On these I wasn't able to hit, but my wife was able to hit on her sneakers app, so she got through. And just check them out again, man. This is a really dope shoe. Check out that Nike Air. There's your inners, the medial side, your bottoms. It's just different, and that's what he was going for. Chris from Union, he was going for something different. You don't want to have the same thing because it's already a Jordan 4. You see one Jordan 4, you've seen them all. So I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Whenever I catch a W, I will be bringing that W review to you guys. So until the next one, I'm out. Peace.